Jim Rohn was one of the most influential motivational speakers and personal development philosophers of the 20th century. He mentored legends like Tony Robbins and inspired millions with his timeless wisdom on success, discipline, and personal growth. His ideas are simple, but their impact is life-changing. With timeless wisdom and practical insights, he taught that success doesn't come from luck, but from simple disciplines practiced daily. His words have helped ordinary people unlock extraordinary lives. In this video, we'll explore some of Jim Rohn's most powerful quotes, not just to inspire you, but to help you build the life you truly want. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Effective communication is 20% what you know and 80% how you feel about what you know. Either you run the day or the day runs you. Learn how to be happy with what you have while you pursue all that you want. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but not more time. Give whatever you are doing and whoever you are with the gift of your attention. Success is not to be pursued. It is to be attracted by the person you become. We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. You can't hire someone else to do your push-ups for you. If you don't like how things are, change it. You're not a tree. The few who do are the envy of the many who only watch. The challenge of leadership is to be strong, but not rude, kind, but not weak. You cannot make progress without making decisions. Life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. Motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing. It isn't what the book costs, it's what it will cost you if you don't read it. The walls we build around us to keep out sadness also keep out joy. To lead others, first lead yourself. We don't get what we want, we get what we deserve. Take interest in your future. It's where you're going to spend the rest of your life. Without a sense of urgency, desire loses its value. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future, it's something you design for the present. The major key to your better future is you. If you just communicate, you can get by, but if you communicate skillfully, you can work miracles. If you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. When you know what you want, and you want it bad enough, you'll find a way to get it. What is easy to do is also easy not to do. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. You must either modify your dreams or magnify your skills. We generally change ourselves for one of two reasons: inspiration or desperation. Life and business is like the changing seasons. You cannot change the seasons, but you can change yourself. Give more than you get. Help more than you ask. Success is doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. For things to change, you have to change. If someone is going down the wrong road, they don't need motivation to speed up. They need education to turn around. Success is neither magical nor mysterious. Success is the natural consequence of consistently applying basic fundamentals. Either you change your life or your life changes you. If you don't sow, you don't reap. Don't join an easy crowd. You won't grow. Success is something you attract by the person you become. Don't just read the easy stuff. You may be entertained, but you won't grow. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Your philosophy determines whether you will go for the disciplines or continue the errors. Character is a quality that embodies many important traits such as integrity, courage, perseverance, confidence, and wisdom. The more disciplined you become, the easier life gets. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Learning is the beginning of wealth. To solve any problem, here's the number one rule: don't focus on the problem, focus on the solution. It's not what happens that determines your life, it's what you do about it. Let others leave their future to chance, but not you, not you. Learn to discipline your disappointments. You don't get paid for the hour. You get paid for the value you bring to the hour. Profits are better than wages. Wages make you a living. Profits make you a fortune. Let others lead small lives, but not you. If you don't design your own life plan, you'll fall into someone else's plan, and guess what they have planned for you? Not much. Success leaves clues. Go study the clues. Go study the people who do it right. Jim Rohn's words aren't just quotes, they're blueprints for a better life. But knowledge means nothing without action. Pick just one quote that hit you the hardest today, write it down. Memorize it and live by it for the next 7 days. Comment below which Jim Rohn quote speaks to your current journey. Let's grow together. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because this is just the beginning of your growth journey. Reminder quotes for every precious moment in life.